After this girl was using her washing machine, she suddenly started hearing loud noises and came across the craziest realization. My worst nightmare just happened, and you're probably wondering, why is my cat out soaking wet? Did you give your cat a bath? No, not intentionally. I didn't give her a bath. I went to start a load in the washing machine, music, and apparently she likes to sleep in there. So, I go over and I put the detergent in, put it in, start the washing machine, shut the door, walk away, and, like 30 to 40 seconds, music. Later I start hearing the most intense howling and screeching and screaming from my cat. I've never heard those noises come out of a damn music cat in my whole life. And so, I ran over there and I hit power button on the machine. You have to let all the water drain out before the door will open, and so, I had to wait like music. It felt like forever for the door to open, and I could see her in there and she was just screaming and I felt so bad.